welcome back to my little corner of YouTube. So today's video is going to be a very different one. So it's like a chit chat, get ready with me type of situation video. So today I'm basically going to do my makeup and my hair, and I'm going to share with you guys why I am even here, like why I'm on YouTube, why I decided to do it, and what I went through and what I can say about it so far. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist, can't do makeup to save my life, don't even know what I'm about to do on my face. So excuse me, this is not a tutorial or anything. I'm just going to try my best. I need to start with the brows because that's the hardest part of this whole thing. Man, doing this thing and talking is going to be hard. Let me finish my brows. I'll come back, please. Don't be angry, okay? So we are back. My brows are all done. I tried my best. Honestly, that's the best that I can do. But some of you might be wondering or asking, why did she start YouTube? Like, what kind of pushed me to start YouTube? So that's what I'm going to tell you about in today's video while I attempt to do my makeup. I don't know how possible that is going to be, but I've seen other people do it, so I'm going to try my best, okay? YouTube was not something I started just because I wanted to do something or I wanted to do what everyone else was doing. No, my reason for starting YouTube, I had real reasons for starting YouTube, and honestly, as I've even started, those reasons have kind of evolved. Yeah, so let's back it up to when I was a child, okay? So when I was little, I wanted to be all sorts of things, okay? Today, I wanted to be a singer. And then the next day, I wanted to be an actress that wasn't popular. Like, I was very particular. I had to be an actress that wasn't popular. So I didn't want to be a Genevieve. But I had so much interest in, like, knowing what went on behind the scenes. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, there was that. And the next day, I wanted to be a presenter. I wanted to be a singer. You know, all those media related things I wanted to be. Obviously, you cannot wake up and come and tell your father that that's what I was going to do. Plus, it wasn't like a real passion, like, oh, that's what I want to do with my life. It was just things that felt cool to me that I thought if I kind of did it, it would make me happy. But obviously, I never got a chance. I even wanted to be a model too, like all kinds of things, I'm telling you guys. But anyways, fast forward to 2013, I discovered YouTube when I went to the abroad. And, you know, it didn't all click. But then I started watching YouTube videos, and after some time, it just clicked, like, aha, this is it. Like, I could do all those childhood things that I wanted to do on one platform, one time. I don't have to go and act, I don't have to go and sing, I don't have to go and be a presenter somewhere else. I could achieve all those dreams one time, one platform, and it was just amazing. Like, yes, this is what I've been looking for. Like, I can do whatever I want on one platform, and I don't even get to be popular because, I mean, YouTubers these days get popular, but that's not the idea for me. Like, I just wanted to live out those childhood dreams, and finding a platform that could do that for me was just amazing. So I said to myself, yes, I'm going to do YouTube. 2015, 2014, 2000. Should I just keep going? Like, I knew I wanted to do it, but you know, life happened, and then I started to procrastinate. Okay, it was on every, if you check my, what do you call it now, New Year resolution list, it was on every list. It was probably number one on every list since 2013 till, okay, it didn't happen this year, but till last year. Do you get what I mean? So I just kept procrastinating. I'll do it next year, I'll do it next month, I'll do it after my birthday, I'll do it now, I'll do it then. But it just never happened. Oh man, talking and doing makeup is so hard. I'm coming back, okay? Let me just figure out what I want to do with my eyes. I'm going to attempt to do a cut crease. I'm not being negative, but I know it's not going to work, but I'm still going to try. And shout out to all my makeup people that do makeup and talk on YouTube. Ha! The respect. Oh my god. But this is how my eye is looking. I don't even know if it's fine. I use this Makeup Revolution palette and this other palette that I got off AliExpress. So those are the two palettes that I've used. Like the eyes would take longer and I needed more concentration on my face, so I'm just gonna continue talking from where I stopped. I think I was talking about all the procrastination that I was doing. So basically I knew I wanted to do YouTube, but for some reason I was just scared. I don't even know why I was scared, but I think it was because I wasn't very confident in myself. Like, what if people didn't like me? What if nobody watched my videos? And then I see YouTubers that go through lots of hate and I'm like, oh, I can't put myself in that situation. Like, someone would just wake up and go behind their phone or computer and say some kind of mean things to me, you know. I just didn't want to put myself in that situation where someone would just come and be insulting me just because I've put myself out there, you get. So all those things just kind of made me, I will do it next year. I'll do it next year. I'll do it next year. That's what I kept doing up until 2017. I actually woke up one morning and I was like, F it, I'm just gonna film this video. And I remember I filmed the hair tutorial. I edited it, but I didn't post it. Maybe one of these days, now that I'm having small mind, I can just post that video. But for whatever reason, I didn't post that video. Like, I was just scared. Honestly, I was afraid of the unknown, of what people would say. I was even afraid of what if one of my uncle, one of my auntie would see my video. Hey, what would they say of me doing on the internet? Would be like, yeah, this one I've spoiled. You get? I was just afraid of all kinds of things. But more importantly, I was just afraid of failing and afraid that I would not be accepted and I would not do well. And sometimes I felt, oh, look at all those girls doing YouTube. They're really beautiful, they're really pretty, they have lots of money, they have this, they have that. I don't have that, I don't have a camera, I don't have light, I don't have money. All kinds of rotten excuses. I just kept telling myself to make sure that I don't do it. But yeah, after 2017 I filmed that video. I didn't post it. But then at the end of 2018 I was like, you know what, next year this thing is not going to be on my New Year resolution list. So I just decided that any which way, I'm not going to write it in my 2019 New Year resolution list. Enough is enough now. Then do me waiting. So I just decided, you know, when you just decide, like Esther, if I die, I die, whatever, just do it. So that's what happened, and I think I ended up posting that video the first week of the new year, and yeah, so I'm so glad that it wasn't on my list this year again. And here I am, like, doing my makeup and filming for you guys. Like, honestly, I filmed the video about the 28 things that I've done in 28 years because it was just my birthday last week or 2 weeks ago on the 4th of July. And I did say in that video that do the thing. One of the things that I've learned in my 28 years on that is, honestly, do the thing that scares you the most. Most of the time, I swear, like 99% of the time, it's not as scary as you think. Honestly, like, the only way to find out is just to do it. There's no other way I can say it. If YouTube is something that you want to do, Don't be like me, honestly. The best time to start is now. Start where you are. Start with whatever you have. If you have your phone, sit in front of the window. Sit in front of the window. Sit in front of the window and put on your phone, film your video, post it. Are people gonna like you? Yes, probably no. Are people you gonna just blow and reach 1 million subscribers like I thought I would? Probably not. But you would feel better, like the way I'm feeling now. Like, I wouldn't trade this feeling for anything. I feel like I actually wrote something down on my list and I've done it. Like, that feeling of fulfillment, even though, you know, I'm growing really slowly. Please follow me, by the way. I mean, not follow, subscribe, by the way. But I'm happy that I get to do those things that I wanted to do. Like, I'm talking to you guys, I'm presenting, I'm acting. I can sing if I wanted to, I can dance, I can do whatever. And that makes me really happy that I had dreams and right now they're happening. Do you get what I mean? So if YouTube is something that you want to do, my sister, my brother, now is the time. There's not going to be a better time, honestly. Start with where you are, and you can grow. Do you get what I mean? Don't wait until you buy one fancy camera. You go wait. So guys, let me tell you something about fear. Trust me, I've been a candidate. Fear is worse than failure. Like, do you know that feeling of you saying your idea and someone else is doing it and prospering and you're like, oh, that should have been me, if only I had done it, if only I had done it. That feeling is worse than, oh, I did it and failed. So honestly, failure is a better option than being afraid and not doing the thing that you want to do. So do it. Honestly, you're going to feel better if you do it and fail. Honestly, if I embrace failure now, failure is good. I've seen something that is better than failure. That is worse than failure, sorry. That is fear. Like, you're so afraid you don't even get the chance to do it and fail. Honestly, you don't want to be there. That's a bad feeling, honestly. So if YouTube is something that you want to do, just start now, wherever you are, with whatever you have, okay? Don't be like Priya. Don't be like Catherine. Start. And the thing with confidence is you're gonna get more confident as you do it. Like, who would have thought that I would be this comfortable with my bare face on camera talking to lots of people that I don't know? Like, once you start, your confidence is going to increase. But what I would say is you need to have some form of confidence already. You need to believe in yourself. If this is something that you want to do, you need to believe that you are enough. Like, why can't you do it? People that are doing it, do they have 3 heads? Like, you need to believe that, you know, believe in yourself somehow. Like, you have something to bring to the table. Even if you're doing exactly the same thing everyone else is doing, they don't look like you, they don't talk like you, they're not going to deliver it like you're going to do it. So have some faith in yourself and put yourself out there. That's all I'm going to say for the confidence thing. You're not going to be 100% confident, but you need to have something to start with, and then you can build on that. Okay? Let me just blend this thing. My nephew ate it. Children, out of everything to eat in this life, it's this disgusting beauty blender.
think about you lately. All I seem to do, this boy has got me crazy. Yeah, you got me stressing, a little obsessive. I can see it through. You got me stressing, boy, you know just what you do. Yeah, I climb the highest mountain, I sail the open seas.
Hey guys, so this is the final look. I'm looking nice. You can't tell me anything. I'm sorry. But I don't know if you guys can hear me properly because it's beginning to rain now. In Nigeria, it's the raining season, so you know it rains like all the time. Well, I just wanted to come on here quickly and quickly round up on what I was saying. I know I was kind of all over the place because of the makeup. So basically, I started YouTube because I had some childhood dreams, okay? And as I've started, those things have kind of evolved. So it's not all about, oh, I want to do this, I want to be a presenter, I want to be a singer or whatever. Now it's kind of different because people have started asking me questions about their skin, about their hair. And I'm thinking to myself, like, I wasn't this confident a few years ago. I could not go out with my bare skin just like that. I always had to have makeup. I always had to have my hair like under wigs or weave or something. Like, it wasn't something that I knew a few years ago, and people are currently in that position now. So now I want to help people take better care of their skin. Yeah, so the idea is, if your skin is clear, like so to say, you'll be more confident about wearing it out. If your hair is growing well, it's full and it's healthy, you'll be more confident about wearing your natural hair. Okay, the reason why most people are not confident about these things is because their skin is not looking good. They have dark spots and pimples and all kinds of things, acne, and their hair is like cutting, breaking off, chopping, all kinds of things. So that's why they're not pretty confident to show these things. So currently, the new goal, so to say, is to help people take better care of their skin, take better care of their hair and their health generally, so they can feel more confident with wearing their best skin out and their hair out, and you know, generally just be healthy. Because I'm also on this healthy journey myself, and although it's a struggle, but you know, at least I know, and I'm beginning to make healthier decisions and more conscious decisions. But people don't know these things. Oh my god, the rain is really heavy. People don't know these things, so that's why I'm here now. Okay, that's the new, I've kind of evolved to helping people be more confident with their natural self, be it hair, be it skin, and general overall health. Okay, now that I've kind of said that, yeah, so basically, if you want to do YouTube, be encouraged, do it, and you never know, you might find new goals on what you want to achieve. Like, I'm not getting paid for this, at least right now, and my channel is even a very small channel. I have 139 subscribers, but I'm really grateful for starting. As small as my channel is, like, I'm not saying I'm getting recognition, but like back home here, people are like, oh, you do YouTube. I'm like, eh? Maybe I'm not even start. You know, that's kind of cool, but the whole new idea is to help people, and that will make me really, really happy. Okay, I think that's everything I wanted to talk about in this video. Comment down below if this video helped you in any way, be it the makeup, the hair, or the tips that I gave on my story. Basically, if it inspired you in any way, please let me know in the comment section. Please help me grow, okay? Help me to grow. Subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. And share this video with your friends and your family. Oh my god. Okay. I will see you guys. I'm getting so excited. I don't even know why. I will see you guys in my next video, okay? Love you. Bye.